This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. For entertainment and educational purposes only. And everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, the subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos as I put them out. See what I'm thinking. See how I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell y'all every day, the data they release us is false. Okay? Data is false. Here's the thing. Everything that I'm seeing in the market for the last 30 days reminds me of 2008. I mean, it's like 2008 being duplicated all over again. And the only real difference is there weren't that many retail investors in 2008. Right now in 2022, 14 years after the fact, there's a lot more retail investors. But the data, the numbers are showing that the retail investors are not selling. And I'm not talking about just the mem stocks, just AMC, APE, GME, BBY. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about even in the blue chip stocks. It seems like retail investors are holding for the long haul. And the only people that are selling right now is the institutions. The institutions are pushing the price down. And what makes it even worse is I don't believe it's hit the bottom yet. The SPY has not hit the bottom. So if retail investors are holding and only institutional investors are selling, and to me, this is like an exact duplicate of 2008. What's the next thing on the horizon? As far as I'm concerned, AMC, APE, GME, and other mem stocks are going to hit all-time lows. But after that, they're going to see all-time highs that has never been seen before in the market. If you remember from 2008, Volkswagen went down to all-time lows. And then 4 days later, it went to the moon. And that's what I see happening right now. The market has not bottomed out yet. And when it does, possibly a few days after that, all these mem stocks are going to go to the moon because they are going to be forced to cover their shorts because all the margin calls are going to be locked in. And a lot of people are saying, well, the banks are in it with them. The banks are not going to margin call them. The banks are going to let them keep kicking the can down the road. The banks are not going to risk their own survival because of a past relationship with a hedge fund. They're not going to do that. I mean, they'll give them some leeway more than they would give a retail investor. But at some point, that leeway stops. At some point, self-preservation kicks in. And the bank is going to say, listen, sell the stock or give us our money. And that's what's going to happen. Anyway, tell me what you think. Is the market looking like 2008 all over again? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.